home remedies for acne scar removal. Addict yourself to the several natural home remedies for acne scar removal and give your skin a much needed boost. No one is ugly, but these blackheads, whiteheads, scars and pimples are. And they make you ugly too. Recent studies have proved that acne is more than just skin deep in teenagers. Very recent studies have proved that acne is more than just skin deep. Important not only not to get rid of acne but also marks left by it. It leaves a potentially large negative impact on the life of youngsters. These home remedies with a proper daily routine are enough to instantly brighten you up the kleptra way. Follow these steps and live without acne. Number 1 is honey. Honey is a natural moisturizer, making it an effective scar removal technique. It prevents the accumulation of the dead skin cells and stimulates the skin tissue regeneration. Apply some honey on the scar, cover it with the bandages and leave it overnight. And the next morning wash it off and with the warm water. Repeat daily before going to bed. Another option is to make a scrub with equal amount of the honey and crystallized sugar. Apply it on the affected area and scrub gently for a few minutes. Rinse it off and with warm water, pat dry and apply a moisturizer. Use this treatment once or twice daily. Number 2 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar heals the different types of the scar with the apple cider vinegar. The acidic nature of the apple cider vinegar has to exfoliate and remove the dead skin cells, and this promotes the growth of the healthy skin cells and reduces the appearance of scars. In addition, apple cider vinegar balances the pH level of your skin, which is essential for the healthy skin texture. Mix equal amount of the raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar and water. Dip a cotton ball in the end. Apply on the scar. Leave it for 5 minutes, then rinse it off with water. Do this once daily. Alternatively, mix a solution with 2 tablespoons of the raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, 2 to 3 cups of the water and 1 teaspoon of the honey. Apply this mixture on the scar, leave it out for 15 to 30 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Do this once daily. Number 3 is cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is an excellent natural moisturizer that can heal the scars of all types. It penetrates deep into the skin and keeps the affected area moisturized longer. This promotes the growth of the new skin tissues in the place of damaged ones. In addition, the vitamin E in the cocoa powder can also aid the skin repair. Apply a spoonful of the pure cocoa butter on the scar and then let it massage for gently and using firm circular motions. Circular motions, leave it overnight and wash it off with the next morning with lukewarm water. Repeat daily until the scar fades. Number 4 is tea tree oil. The tea tree oil is useful essential oil to help to manage the skin condition and reduces the scar blemishes thanks to use its anti-inflammatory and skin healing properties. Add 4 drops of the tea tree oil to the 2 tablespoons of the water. Use this diluted solution to wash the affected area 2 to 3 times a day. Alternatively, add 2 to 3 drops of the tea tree oil to the 1 tablespoon of the almond oil. Apply it on the scar and leave it out for 30 minutes. And then rinse it off with warm water. Use this remedy once daily. Never use tea tree oil undiluted. Also, if using this essential oil for the first time, do a patch test. Number 5 is sandalwood. According to the Urida, sandalwood has skin regenerating and soothing properties that can reduce the appearance of all types of scars. Mix equal amount of the sandalwood oil and any carrier oil of your choice. Apply it on the scar with a cotton ball. Allow it to sit for about 30 minutes. Then rinse it off with warm water. Follow this treatment twice daily. Another option is to mix 1 teaspoon of the sandalwood powder and add enough rose water to the milk to make a paste. Apply this paste on the scar and rub gently. Leave it on for an hour before washing it off with cold water. Do this once daily. Additional tips: make green tea, allow it to cool and then dab it onto a scar using a cotton swab. Massage gently. When used regularly, it will reduce the size of scar. Brush 1 or 2 aspirins and enough water to make a paste and then apply it on the scars twice daily. You can also apply white toothpaste to help to fade scars. Avoid exposing scars to the sun, which can slow down the healing process and make the scars darker. Regularly massaging the affected area can help to break down the fibrous tissue that causes the scarring. Exfoliate regularly to get rid of the old layer of the skin. Use a concealer to hide the scars. Always use a concealer that matches to your skin tone. Follow a diet rich in vitamin C and E to speed up the healing process. Regular intake of the fish oil supplements can also help to heal the scars. Consult a doctor before starting any supplements.